Solomon Lunger's stunning 1969 Ford F-100, affectionately named Clyde. This one-of-a-kind truck combines classic charm with modern performance, making it a standout at the 2024 SEMA Show in Las Vegas. Exquisite exterior. Clyde's exterior is a sight to behold. The truck features a full carbon fiber body, giving it a sleek, modern look while maintaining the classic lines of the 1969 F-100. Custom-forged wheels add to its aggressive stance, and the exposed carbon fiber panels contrast beautifully against the vintage design. The one-of-a-kind, fully custom-built 1969 Ford F-100 features a high-performance 5.2-liter V8 Ford Performance Raptor R crate engine paired with a 3.8-liter Whipple supercharger with a total projected power output of more than 900 horsepower and more than 700 pounds-feet of torque. Luxurious interior. Inside, Clyde is just as impressive as its exterior. The interior is lined with luxury leather, meticulously crafted to honor the truck's heritage while providing a modern driving experience. Every stitch and surface has been carefully designed to create a comfortable and stylish cabin.